If you go and read this authentic hadith, the Aisha radiallahu anhu said that we became Muslim when our father became Muslim. And her father became Muslim first year of prophethood, when the prophet was announced to be a prophet by Allah, and he announced to the people, I am the prophet of Allah. That time the prophet age was 40 years old. And Aisha said, we become Muslim on when our father became Muslim. So the father became Muslim on the first year of Nabuwah, the prophethood. So it means that Aisha was still alive and born, and she was probably 7 years old, because less than 7 years old child cannot know that she is making Shahada. If you get a 4 or 5 years old baby, she don't know what is Shahada. What is to testify there is no God except Allah, and that testify Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. So we can assume that Aisha was 7 years old. We assume that Aisha was 19 years old when she married, because she was first year of prophethood, she was 7 years old, assuming, and she married after 12 years.